Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to complete the initial setup of our Wonder ETA and how to apply the automatic tilt adjustment using our Wonder ETA. This is an updated tutorial because since the Wonder Empire version 2.3.1 we have made great improvement to our workflow of the Wonder Empire, of the Wonder ETA initial setup. And also from the version 2.3.1, you can now easily migrate your configurations of your ETA using the save and load options. Like for example, you can save all these parameters using this button, and you save the file to your PC. And for example, now you move to another PC and you only need to click load and you select the file, and all these parameters is here. Okay, it's very easy. And also from 2.3.1, you can now set 3 independent hocus pocus paths for 3 ETAs. This will be more convenient for multiple telescopes users. Okay, so now let's start the initial setup of Wonder ETA. If you have already set these parameters, you can ignore this. Okay, this is only for users that use the ETA for the first time. So the first step is to specify your hocus pocus safe path. And what is hocus pocus? It's a plugin in Nina. You have to install it, and here you need to check the save button, and you have to specify a safe path for hocus pocus. Here is the HF folder under C drive, and you need to choose the same path here in Wonder Empire. Okay, and the next step is the focuser step size. What's this? You can click this button. It's the microns that the focuser draw tube moves per step. For integrated focusers, like some focusers from OPTC, the step size is usually specified by the manufacturer. And for most users, they may use external focusers like the ZWEAF. And in this case, the microns per step depends on the telescope's focuser. Okay, so for the external focusers, there are 2 ways to measure the step size. The first method is to move the focuser by like 1000 steps, and you measure how many millimeters the focuser draw tube moves, and then you can calculate the step size. Okay, it's very straightforward. And the second method, it's a very clever method, and the Wonder Empire will do it for you automatically. So you just need to click the measure here, and Wonder Empire will guide you step by step. Okay, you click measure, and it will say that now Wonder Empire will measure the step size of the focuser. Please perform an autofocus in Nina now. And you have to make sure that you have choose hocus pocus as autofocus in Nina setting, imaging, image options. Okay, it's here. Options, imaging, and image options. It's here. There are 3 options: star detector, star annotator, and autofocus. I recommend you to set all of these 3 options to hocus pocus instead of the default Nina. Okay, and after that, you can perform an autofocus in Nina now. Only autofocus, not hocus pocus. Okay, so you go to Nina, and autofocus is here, and you click start autofocus, and you wait for the autofocus to complete. Okay, after autofocus completes, click OK, and click OK. And now ETA will increase the back focus by 0.2 millimeters. Click OK to continue, and wait it to complete. Okay, then after it completes, perform another autofocus in Nina. So you start another autofocus. Okay, after another autofocus completes, click OK. And then the focus step size will be automatically filled in here. And also the reverse will also be automatically checked or unchecked. In this case, reverse is not checked. So now let's move on to the next step, the sensor angle. What is the sensor angle? Again, you can click this button. It's the relative angle between the ETA and your camera sensor. And Wonder Empire will measure it automatically for you. And since the version 2.3.1, our measurement will be much more accurate than the previous algorithm. So you just click measure. Okay, it says that please confirm that your mount has started tracking and click OK to continue. You need to also confirm that guiding is not active. If the guiding is running, you have to stop it in PHD2 before continuing. Okay, our guiding is not running, so we click OK. Please capture and save a snapshot image. An exposure time of 1 to 3 seconds is recommended. And in this case, we will only use 1 second. Okay, you have to check save here and do not check loop here. Okay, do not check loop here. Only check save here, and you take an image. Okay, after that, click OK. Please confirm that you have captured and saved a snapshot image. Okay, and ETA will now raise point 2 by 0.2 millimeters. Wait until it completes. And it says that please capture another snapshot image. Okay, so another. Okay, click OK. Okay, now you have already captured and saved 2 snapshot images before and after raising point 2 of the ETA by 0.2 millimeters. So now you need to select these 2 images. Okay, our images are here. You select these 2 images and open it. The software will now analyze the 2 images and measure the angle. And the process may take a few seconds to 1 minute, depending on your computer's performance. Just wait until the results come out. Okay, then the results comes out is 2.12. And actually, the real angle of this setup is 0 degrees, but it doesn't matter if there's 1 or 2 degrees error. So we can just keep this, or you can manually enter 0. Okay, but in this case, we will just keep it. And the next step is the sensor size. It's very straightforward. It's just the frame of your camera. Here we are using an ASI 6200, so we click full frame. So this is all for the initial setup. And next step, we can apply the automatic tilt adjustment using the Nina Hocus Focus.